Sylvia Lee was a Pima Community College campus president and dean for 15 years, served as a PCC board member, and was appointed to the Pima County Board of Supervisors in 2024.
Today, she finds herself on U of A's exclusionary list. That means she's not allowed on any U of A property until February of next year.
13 News reporter Catherine Patterson sat down with her to talk about the moments during a controversial Wildcats basketball game that now has restricted her access to campus.
13 News obtained this court document sharing former Pima County supervisor and PCC board member Sylvia Lee was charged with 2 counts of misdemeanor assault. But these documents only reveal a little of what the incident was. So Lee herself spoke with me exclusively at what exactly happened here at McHale. To say the former PCC board member is a Wildcats fan is an understatement.
Born and raised in Tucson. I always knew I'd go to University of Arizona.
But after attending one game in February, she can't go back to the same campus she walked across the stage for to get her bachelor's and master's.
BYU comes into Tucson and walks out with the win.
Sylvia Lee and her daughter sat among angry fans after the BYU upset on February 22nd. But she said all of the commotion and controversial chants were just background noise.
It wouldn't have happened if that didn't happen, in my mind. It had nothing to do with losing.
She says after the game, a BYU player made vulgar comments to her daughter. Lee responded with the one thing in her hand, a cup of leftover Diet Coke.
I really thought that I was hitting the player, but it was all a blur, and apparently I hit 2, I'm not sure if they were coaches.
After 2 misdemeanor charges of assault, she says she's apologized to the athletic director of BYU.
I'm sure some folks understand what that mom moment is. It's not always rational or logical, it just is emotional.
And for the meantime, is okay waiting to get back access to her alma mater.
I understand, I deserve that. So, and you know, looking back on it, I completely agree, and it needs to happen, and I'm going to be compliant, and I certainly understand my mistakes.
Lee's attorney, Edward Cohn, told me that they're working now to get those charges dismissed. And once that ban ends, Lee says she'll be back here at McHale cheering on the Wildcats. Reporting at the U of A, Catherine Patterson, 13 News.